Hi, it's Marina from Frameright. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can define display instructions and preview them. First, make sure you have an image open. On the right-hand side, you will see a list of default collections. The first one, named Common Sizes, has all the traditional ratios listed. The rest of the collections are for different social media channels and their size requirements. You can also create your own collections, and I will make a separate video for this. Let's start by quickly choosing Square from Common Sizes, and next I will take the Facebook banner. Oh, and now I actually want to make a little adjustments for the suggestion that Frameright AI gave us, and yeah, that's better. And next I will choose tall pin for Pinterest. Here make note how the bounding box turns red. This indicates that there are not enough pixels for that specific version. For this, you just have to select a larger area if possible. Let's define a couple of more, and then we can take a look how the preview mode looks like. You can find the preview next to the crop tab. In the preview, you can move around by using the arrow keys. And here you can see what is happening with all the display instructions. If you still want to make changes, click on the tool icon. This will take you back to the crop mode. Once you're ready, return to the preview mode to ensure everything is exactly how you want it to be. In the next tutorial, I will show you how you can export and save your work.